Hi everyone, it's me Aisha and welcome you all to my class. So this class is for all those guys out there who want to improve English and take it to the next level. So you must be thinking, English grammar, sentence structure, vocabulary, but yet you're not able to speak English fluently. So I'm here to help you out. And there's one common question that arises in everyone's mind. How long will it take to learn English fluently? So let me tell you guys, there is no time limits to learn any language. You put in your efforts and practice. Those days are not so far when you speak English fluently. So today I'm going to tell some of the things that you need to avoid while learning to speak English. Number 1, don't be ashamed. Yes, do not feel ashamed to speak up. If you don't speak up, how will you learn? So do not feel ashamed. You have to speak up if you want to learn English. And remember, we are all learners. Number 2, don't be frustrated. Yes, do not feel frustrated. It's okay when someone asks you to repeat, or you lack words, or you are not able to describe. It's okay. Stay calm. Give your time, and you will be soon learning English fluently. So number 3, don't compare yourself with any speakers. Do not compare yourself. Be happy with the level you are in and give the best. Number 4, don't give up. Continue to practice until you learn English fluently. So these are the 4 points you need to remember and you need to avoid while learning English. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe at home and take care of yourselves.